and the power of nature.
Candidate number 1 from the female category is Aliana Cacas. So she is from 2 St. Bartholomew and graduated valedictorian in UST Grade School Department. Okay. Her motto in life is, I am not perfect, but many things in this world cannot be perfect without me. Her goal is to become a successful cardiologist.
Yeah.
Let us welcome pair number 3.
This young gentleman right here, Nicola Ramirez, is one of the top students of the staff. Likewise, he also excels in sports. His motto in life is, we just have one life to live it to the fullest.
Denise is a graduating student. She is 16 years old, representing St. Daniel. At present, she is the president of the Girl Scout of the Philippines, UST High School. She has the heart of an angel who is ready to serve her constituents. She has passion and dedication in, of course, leading her constituents.